Okay, Proton Iriz installed for Convex 9-inch Android Lite series Android GPS big screen player with OEM socket plug and play. Okay, connect with Convex night vision reverse camera. Okay, big screen Android GPS player. So screen will fix outside panel. Okay, player body will fix by universal bracket. Okay, 9-inch Android GPS, 2.5D HD glass capacitance touchscreen. Show you for a reverse camera. Okay, shortcut menu and full menu. So you have to log in a Gmail to download app from Play Store. Waze, Google Maps for online maps, online GPS. You can download YouTube. Okay, easy connect mirror link, selected phone model. Bluetooth calling, Bluetooth music. Video input, RCA input and video output. Show for radio. Okay, setting. Go to setting. Okay, turn on player Wi-Fi. Connect with phone hotspot for internet. Android version 6.0, 2018, end of December. GB and 2GB RAM. Change boot logo, executive touch. Okay, so this is Convex CL-109AD Android Lite series 9-inch Android big screen GPS player with OEM socket plug and play, 2.5D HD glass screen. Okay, installed by OneBiz. Thank you.